Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see a review of Chik Protein shampoo. The cost of this shampoo is ₹1 and if you want gorgeous shiny hair then you can use this shampoo. This shampoo contains badam protein, bringaraj oil, black tea. Badam are nothing but almonds. They are rich in magnesium and nutrients which promote hair growth by preventing dandruff and hair damage. Almond provides sufficient nutrients to the hair follicles that makes the hair strand stronger, which reduces hair fall. Almonds also nourishes your hair. It also repairs damaged hair. It prevents split ends. Bringaraj has been used from ages by our ancestors. Bringaraj promotes hair growth. As per the studies, bringaraj oil increases blood circulation to the scalp and roots, which promotes hair growth. This oil activates the hair follicles, which enhances hair growth. It also prevents hair fall and baldness. So if you are facing any hair fall issues, then it acts as an excellent remedy for that. Treats scalp infection. The antibacterial properties of bringaraj oil makes it a choice of oil to treat various scalp infections. This oil is effective against various types of follicle infections, psoriasis, bacterial infections, and so on. Regular use of this oil will reduce the inflammation of hair follicles and scalp tenderness and increase hair growth. Relief from headache. Bringaraj oil helps to provide instant relief from the headaches, especially stress-induced headaches. Black tea. I know you are surprised to hear this. Black tea is very important for hair growth. It darkens the hair. No, you are surprised that black tea also promotes for hair growth. It stimulates the hair growth when used once in a month. Black tea acts as a natural dyeing agent and is suitable for women who have dark brown hair and want to get rid of grey hair or fading hair dyes. Black tea helps in increasing the hair thickness and lowering the hair loss. It also adds shines to your hair. So these are the 3 ingredients used in this shampoo. And we all know this Bollywood actress. On this sachet, you will also able to see picture of almonds, bringaraj, and tea leaves. If you know the name of this actress, then do comment below. Now, let's see what is there behind the packaging. This product is a trademark owned and marketed by Kevin Care Private Limited, and they have given the manufacturing address. The volume of this sachet is 5 ml plus 1 ml extra, that is 6 ml compared to 5 ml Chik shampoo. The MRP of this product is ₹1 inclusive of all taxes, and they have said that for use for 1 month and year. See side seat. The best thing about this shampoo is it's made in India. And for consumer feedback or complaint, you can contact Kevin Care Consumer Care Executive at the Chennai address or call us at toll-free number. They have mentioned the toll-free number and even the website. You can launch the complaint. And secondly, You will able to find this product at any medical store and it's very affordable. This shampoo has reduced my hair fall a lot. If you ask me whether to use sachet or a shampoo bottle, I am going to prefer sachets only, as whatever amount is required for your hair, they are providing in a sachet. Sometimes it happens that we purchase a bottle and then we may end up in putting more shampoo, ultimately results in hair fall. So as per me, it's better to stick to sachet options only. So if you are telling me whether I am going to purchase this shampoo again, then yes, I am really going to purchase this shampoo again. If you have rough and thin hair, then please guys, do try this shampoo and do tell me your experience. Now let's see how this product is looking from inside. This is how product look from inside. You will able to see some glitters. And the thickness of the shampoo is nice. How to use this shampoo? First, wet your hair and just take this shampoo in your palms and just apply it in your hair. Massage this shampoo for 1 or 2 minutes and just rinse it off with normal water.
That was all in this video. Do share your questions in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like, share our videos.